What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. Okay, you can do whatever you like with your money. Now, that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. What a day, guys. What a day to be in crypto. I'm just looking forward for the day that coins like Casper will decouple from Bitcoin. Okay, will decouple, like no matter what Bitcoin does, Casper takes its own trajectory, because everything Bitcoin being the OG, everything follows Bitcoin. Okay, that is why, as you can see right now, Bitcoin decided to to thank, not Bitcoin, like those who hold Bitcoin decided to dump the market, and it just took everything with it. But yet, in my millionaire journey, or in our millionaire journey, it's not a bad day, guys. It is not a bad day. When people see red, we see green. Like I always say, round three, money. Guys, you see that red in the market? It's an opportunity for you to pick up those coins at a cheaper rate. Okay, do not get discouraged. This is the time you try to find money anywhere else. Okay, it's not financial advice. It's what I am doing. Try to get money somewhere else. Scale up your trades. Open new trades if you could. So now it's an opportunity. Like me, for example, I got liquidated on my short-term Jasmine trade, and guys, as soon as it happened, guess what? As soon as it happened, right there, that's why we trade Ondo. Take money from Ondo Finance, open another trade right quick, because I know we are really flat, which I am going to show you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to show you in a minute why Jasmine is about to run. Everything is really flat on the floor. But anyways, let's do as we always do every day. Before we talk about the subject, today's subject, I am about to show you my trades to see how good we are doing, how bad we are doing, and the three coins that we are trading in this bull run for this my millionaire journey, which are King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. We're about to see how they're performing in the past 24 hours. Okay, and that also being said, I will also show you my my trades. Okay, yesterday I kept forgetting. I don't know why I kept forgetting, and somebody just DM'd me and reminded me, like, oh, they wanted to know if I really bought 15,000 Casper coins for my children, which yes, I did. I will show you that. I will show today. I will try not to forget. Okay, that being said, let's go into crypto bubbles to see how the market is doing today. It's a very big surprise waiting for you guys. So let's go. Crypto bubbles, let's see. There we go. See, the market is already recovering, guys. Market is already coming up. Somebody tried to dump Bitcoin, which was normal. Okay, I don't blame them. If I had the money, and if I had, let's just say, 4,000 Bitcoins, and I decide, you know what, I need some cheap Bitcoin, all I have to do is sell 1,000 Bitcoin, and that thing comes crashing. So it is what it is. It's what happens when the market is not as decentralized as they are telling you it is. But anyways, you can see here today we have King Casper. Is already recovering 1.4%, guys. Is already coming up. You have Jasmine, is already recovering 2.4%. You see that? Like I'm telling you guys, these things won't last that long. Okay, now those of you, because I closed my Ondo trade, okay, because I used that money to open a new Jasmine trade, but this is also an opportunity for Ondo. You guys, you can get into Ondo, get your positions ready, because this Ondo is about to take off. So now let's do it this way to be more clearer. Let's go with Casper. Here we go. On the last hour, Casper is up 1.3%. On the day, we are down 3.5%. On the week, we're up 1.4%. And guess this, on the year, because it has even gone higher, we are now up 714%. Now look at Quant, QNT. Quant right there. On the past hour, up 0.6%. Okay, 5.6 down on the daily, and yearly, you see, it's even dropping 29.5% down. So it is coming. Let's look at Jasmy, JAS, Jasmy coin. See, back on the hourly, 2.4% up, 8.1% down on the daily, weekly down 16%, and yearly we're up 509%. Okay, now let me go into trading view. That way we can check the prices in more details. There we go. I will take you back first on the hourly. Here you go on the 1 hourly. Okay, as you can see, I told you guys there's nothing to be feared. Look at this. The first support was this. Casper fell through it, not even touching, not even nothing on the hourly, fell through because Bitcoin dumped fast. We came into the second support. I think I told you guys yesterday that this was going to happen exactly like this, because this dump is or how do you say it in English? It's orchestrated. Somebody's trying to dump Bitcoin to the lowest, but I guess everybody's beginning to realize that. As you can see, we got supported right here by my support. This line I had right here at 16.917 cents, and Casper bounced right back up. Now look at it. Look at the ribbon. When you look at the ribbon, you see the curving is beginning to curve. That is also an indicator that price is about to start going back up where it was. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is also going to start curving upwards. So right now we have two resistors, actually three resistances that Casper need to break to continue to the upside. We need to go above the ribbon, we need to go above the 200 moving average, and we have this very big resistance right here at 17.8, 17.7, depends on how you draw your lines. That is how we have another resistance. So Casper need to break above these three resistances to continue the trajectory. But I think it will do that very, very quick, because the smart contract that got paused, they are going to get released again very, very soon, because they finally, like they say, they have found what the problem was, and they are solving it as fast as they can. So therefore, guys, it's time for you to get ready. Like we always say, when they sleep, we eat, guys. It's time to make that money. So let's go to the 4 hourly right quick. On the 4 hour, the story almost the same, still the same. Look at it. Got supported. The EMA, okay, you see how it's beginning to squeeze together? It's about to start going up. So you can see price is forming that. On the 4 hourly, we had an inverse head and shoulders, okay, that played out perfectly, because the target, like I told you guys, the target was right there at 17 cents. So it depends on how you draw your line. Say 17.2, 16.9, or 17 cents, depends on how you draw your lines. But as you can see, it played out perfectly. So the uptrend is about to start. The ribbon is moving upwards. So guys, pay attention to that. Casper is about to run. Now let's go to the next one. Quant, ticker symbol QNT. Binance, I like using the Binance USDT. Okay, this is where, guys, they were talking about bad news, but I'm telling you guys, you gotta zoom in, guys. It's not, Quant is not going lower. It was okay, because when we broke out of that resistance, Quant never came back to retest it. Normally, crypto needs to comes back to retest the resistance, which was at 74. I think it was 74, $73, and Quant never came back. So what it is doing right now is perfectly normal. But and then you can see there is another bullish pattern that is being formed. Quant is forming a W. Okay, look at this. Okay, let me put this right here. This was the first leg. Up, second leg. Now we're about to start going up again, and when we go up, we're going to retest. The plan is still exactly the same. Quant needs to go up above $84, $85. Okay, once Quant gets above $84, $85, comes back and retests this moving 200 moving average and uses it as support, our next target is going to be 104. That is another major resistance that Quant has. Once we break that 104, guys, there is a little resistance at the 120, 125. We need to break that. Once we break it, the ultimate, like I told you guys, the ultimate move for this is look on the weekly, guys. Look on the weekly. Let me take you to the weekly. 1 week right there. The ultimate move for all this, guys. Zoom out. Okay, the ultimate move is $150. Look, that's where that resistance is. You see, the wick came down, touch it, came down, touch it, came down. 148, 150, thereabout. That is what it is. So Quant is doing all this because we are going back up there to try to retest that 150. And after that 150, guys, there is basically no resistance for Quant to go upside, to the upside. The next big resistance for Quant, guys, after that 150 right here, is right there, 165, 166. That's what the resistance is. Okay, after that, the next big resistance for Quant is right here, 220, 230. Okay, 220, 230. After that, there is no any other bigger one until we get to the all-time high, right up there at $400. So guys, that's why I always tell you guys this. Okay, let's go back. That's why I always tell you guys, some people see blood, I see God candles, the green ones. I'll show you my trade already. I'm already in my position. I don't know about you guys. This is not financial advice, but this is the time you want to be in your position. You don't want to wait for it to start running and you're trying to catch. No, this is the time you try to get in it and get prepared, because Quant, guys, Quant is about to run. And when I say run, it's about to take off. The project is coming off this July, and there's another gateways coming up in August. Quant is about to take off. And guys, people call me crazy, but I tell you this, Quant might be more valuable than Bitcoin by 2030, between 2030 and 2033, because Quant is about to become the new Swift system, not XRP, guys. XRP is not going to be the cross-border, the moving money around the world. It's not XRP. Go do your research and then you will see. Quant is about to become the new cross-border system, the new Swift. That's why Project Enbridge and Project Overledger are being emphasized so much. Go to the mainstream media right now. The news, that's all they're talking about. But anyways, let's go back to the third coin, which is Jasmy. Let's go back to trading view and let's look for Jasmy right quick. JASMY. This is another coin, like I'm telling you guys, it's about to run because news keep coming out, and now they even have Sunny on board. You know what Sunny is, right? So Sunny, the PlayStations, the entertainment, everything, they even have Sunny on board. But anyways, guys, this right here is what I am always showing you guys. Jasmy has no much resistance. Okay, has no much resistance. This move, the target was and is still 10 cents. What is happening is doing exactly the classic bull flag. The target for this big bull flag is 10 cents. It's not going to go up straight. It's going to have breathers. As you can see, it's already broken out. It's broken out, right? We have a little bull flag again forming, and it's going to form that staircase. It's going up slowly. This is on the weekly, guys. And again, like I told you guys, look at this. There is no resistance for Jasmy. There is no much resistance for Jasmy after this. The first one, we broke it already at 2.3. The second one, we retested and got rejected at 4.5 cents. After that, the next one is going to be right there, almost 5 cents. After this, there is no resistance. There's a little bit at 12, but there is no, basically, theoretically, there is no resistance until 20 cents. This is what I am targeting on this leverage position, both short and long term. On my long term, once we get there, we will reevaluate the market, see how it is doing, or to see if we're going to take profits and close it. But definitely on my short term trade, I am going to take a lot of profits over there. But anyways, let's go back down there to the 1 hour. Now we look. And this is the 4 hours. Now I want to go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Come on. There. To the 1 hour. Like you see, the drop is done with. There is no more. Look at that. We can drop probably a little bit more, but I think we've got to the target. So it has begun to recover. Now all we got to see is what Bitcoin is going to do. I think Bitcoin's bottom was at that $59,000-$60,000. Depends on what exchange you check. When I checked it this morning, Bitcoin was almost $59,500, and I think that was the bottom. Now, if Bitcoin reverses, Jasmine is going to reverse. And another thing that guys are not paying attention. Let's go back to the 4 hours first. See, here, let me take this out right there. 2.3 is the next support, but I don't think Jasmine is going to go lower than that. I don't think it's going to go there, because like you can see right here, look, there is a support right here at around 2.4, 2.5 right there. I think that's the lowest Jasmine is going to go, and then it will take off from there, because we do have this big resistance, okay, that goes all the way right there. See this? If you trace a line right there, we need to break it, and I think Jasmine is about to go up to try to retest it and break it, see if it's going to break it from there. But guys, a lot of people, they are paying attention to the main price. What guys are not putting in context is the Ethereum ETF that got approved. Ethereum is about to start getting traded on the ETF is about to start getting traded, and what does happens when that happens, all the coins on the Ethereum chain are going to start experiencing significant pumps. So that's what I'm telling you guys. I will show you my Jasmine trade right now. I got liquidated the first one. Okay, I got liquidated. I kind of made a mistake there. I took some profit on my short term and I did not scale it up. That is why I got liquidated. Therefore, but anyways, I open another one right quick, have it going again, and we are chugging along with it. Another thing I want to show you guys, let's check it out right quick. I will go right here and I will go right here. This is my Bydfi, because I want to show you guys both the RSIs and MACDs. Okay, RSI and MACDs for Jasmine. Let's go there and let me zoom in. Look at this. Okay, let me go here. This is on the weekly. I'm gonna go first on the daily. Okay, now look, see the RSI and MACD. Guys, this thing is about to flip. The MACD RSI will have 13 and 0. See, it has bottomed. It has bottomed, guy. Look, this is what is important right here. So this thing has bottomed, and now we're probably gonna have a leg up, and this leg up is something that is about to see if we can break those resistances. So let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hour, there's also another one many people are not paying attention to. As you can see, look at that. The 4 hour has already started to move, and this one has already changed color. See? So yeah, Jasmine is getting ready. And if you look on the 1 hour, although I don't trade on the 1 hour, but it only helps me to determine the direction of the trend. Okay, so look on the 1 hour. See? If you can see it, it has already reversed and it has already changed color. So it is going up, guys. It is going up. It's not going to wait for how do you say it? It's not going to wait for that 2.0. I don't think Jasmine is going there. The probabilities are very, very low. The same thing when you look at Quant, okay? Look at Quant. Look at the RSIs. Quant RSIs is low. Let me zoom in. See? That's Quant right there. Quant RSI is low, and it's already changed colors too. So Quant is about to start running. But now let's go look at my my trades right quick. Okay, let's look at my trades again, guys. Do not do leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, because it's simple. You can lose your money very, very quickly. You can lose your money that fast. So guys, what I would recommend is like just stick to spot trading. Just buy the coins whole. But if you know what you're doing, okay, I do have my trades below. There's a Bydfi and there's a Phemex. Open an account, get the trading bonuses, start trading. Once you start making that profit, take your money out and use the bonuses to trade. That's what I did. That's how I got started. I just took my money out and I used the house money to start trading. Okay, so now let's go first to my long-term trades, which are on Bydfi. Let's go there. Bydfi. Like I told you guys, everything I say, I do. I'm not like those YouTubers who will tell you one thing and they will do another thing. Now, in this my millionaire journey, your success is my success. So we share everything. So as you can see, my overall went down because Bitcoin dumped, which is normal. I'm down again to 25,400. Earlier this morning, I was down to 22, I think it was, but it has started to recover again. As you can see Casper is going up again. Everything is moving back up the way it's supposed to. Now, looking at my contracts, I closed my under finance. Like I told you guys, under finance, we only use it to pay exchange fees and to scale up positions. Once I got liquidated on my Jasmine or my short-term trade, I closed my under finance and send the funds over there and open another trade with it. But as you can see, my quant, I am still up. Okay, my quant, I'm still up 25%, which is equal to 1,100. Again, quant is moving, guys. Quant is moving. Now we got Jasmine. Again, my Jasmine, I'm up again 31%, which is 1,300. Okay, do not be panicking. This is a long-term trade. These trades are going to take off very, very soon, and we will be here to look at it again, like I always do. I always show you guys. And now let's go to my Casper. If you remember, my Casper was up 100% like a day or two ago, but now I'm still up 70%, which is $5,700. Everything is moving according to plan. Okay, now let's go to my short-term trades right quick. My short-term, which are on Phemex, right there. Let's open up. We got to sign in due to security reasons. You guys remember my overall for my short-term trades a couple days ago, it was like around $8,000, but we're down today 7,200, which is okay. Again, looking at my contracts, okay, see, I opened a new Jasmine contracts. I'm down 1%, which is $11. But on my Casper, again, my Casper dropped to 25%, and I'm still up 1,200, almost 1,300. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is because Jasmine, I am targeting first will be 5 cents. See, 0.05, which will make me around $4,000, 4,200. Next resistance is 10 cents, because that's the move that this thing is forming. This thing will make me $12,000. I am targeting this and I'm waiting patiently. So guys, now let's see if this thing keeps on doing that good and it goes to that resistance I showed you guys at 20 cents. Guys, look at this. That would mean $29,000 for my short-term trades. Like I said, we'll always reevaluate the market every time. Okay, every time we always reevaluate the market, see what the market is doing. We always reevaluate, see what the market is doing, and decide whether we want to take profits or we want to wait some more. Okay, so that's what's happening in my short-term trade. My long-term trades, I'm trying to keep them open to the top of the bull run, or as close to the top as possible. Like I always say, nobody knows where the blow-off top is going to be, but that is big money right there that we're trying to do. But anyways, before I forget again, I told you guys I bought 15,000 Casper for my children, and I keep those not on my Tangent. I keep them in my Mexi. I'm about to transfer them to my Tangent in a moment, but let me show you guys first. Go here to my Mexi. Where's my Mexi? There you go, Mexi account. Yeah, I know I did not put my VPN, but anyways, if you go to my Mexi account, you will see it right there. on my spot. I do have it right there. 15,000 Caspers I bought for my children. Okay, there they are. So yeah, like I said, I always show you guys what I do, when I do it, and if I do it. So because here in this my millionaire journey, we share everything. Okay, because my success is your success, and your success is also my success. But anyways, here we are today to the topic of today. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. There were people who were happy, okay, about the Bitcoin ETF, and I remember telling somebody about this, and I said Bitcoin ETF marks the beginning and the end of Bitcoin, because now the BlackRocks, the Winklevoss, or whoever you call them, that have these millions and millions of Bitcoins, now they can manipulate the market. Now when you trade the ETFs, the people have to pay you in Bitcoins, right? So how do you think they settle these Bitcoins amounts? These people that listed for the ETFs, they have a bag, right? And that bag, they already, if I can figure it out, I know they could also do it. They know now, if I sell this big bag of amount, go look on chain, the transaction on Bitcoin that happened. They were selling 5,000 Bitcoins, 10,000 Bitcoins, all that. What do you think is happening? That dropped the price. It dropped the price, and the same people that sold 5,000 Bitcoins, 10,000 Bitcoins, now they have started buying 20,000 Bitcoins here, 10,000 Bitcoins there. They started to buy it, and now they sold you this much, price drop, now they buy this much. They are going to pump the price back up again. Once they pump it, they now have almost twice the amount of Bitcoin that they started with. You understand the logic? That's what they're doing. They are manipulating the price of Bitcoin. Now, what that happens, it drags the entire market with it, because it's psychological. It's psychological, right? When Bitcoin dumps, everybody knows, oh, it's going to dump. But soon, I can't wait, guys. I can't wait to see Casper decouple from Bitcoin. Because I'm telling you guys, Casper is better than Bitcoin. And when people start to realize it, they will start knowing, like, why should I sell my Bitcoin, or why should I sell my Casper, because Bitcoin is falling. Guys, Casper is Bitcoin 2.0. Many people don't want to admit it, but before, you don't want to be, you don't want to be in that crowd. You want to position yourself first before everybody and their grandmama and their grandpa starts to get in. And that's what I am doing. Okay, that's what I am doing right now. I position myself in. I don't know about you. This is not financial advice. I'm only showing you, and I tell you what I do every time. So time is coming. That's why you can see this. This is something that is very funny. Bitcoin dumped that hard. Casper only moved 2 cents. Casper only moved from 19 to 17 cents. Look at that. So people have beginning to realize, like, listen, the new kid on the block is cooler than this guy. You understand what I mean? So time is coming, guys. Time is coming. You do not sell your asset just because Bitcoin is falling. So people who are doing it right now, dumping the entire market, is just FUD. It's FOMO. They are FOMOing in. They think, oh, Bitcoin's got to go down and I'm about to lose 90% of my asset, or I better do something about it. Bitcoin is being manipulated by the big players. Okay, the big players that hold all that much Bitcoin, they are doing this. And I can guarantee you, Bitcoin's about to start pumping, and it will go back to 70,000 in no time. And when that happens, the good thing is that it will excuse me. The good thing about this is that it will drag all those prices up. It will drag Jasmine, Casper, Quant, you call them. It's about to drag them all up, and that's when we capitalize. But guys, this is not going to last long, because people are starting to discover that coins like Casper are better than Bitcoin. and you don't need to be dumping your Casper just because Bitcoin is dumping. That being said, guys, I made it too long. I was trying to make a short video, but anyways, please subscribe to this channel, comment. I would like to read your opinions about this situation, okay? And share these videos. That way people with millionaire mindset like you and I can see these videos. Guys, I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, so please share, comment, subscribe, and be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.